Part 3 of happiness in regards to our time. Do you spend enough time in nature? Do you hear the silence? Do you feel that peace? It's so important that we take the time to turn off the distractions of the world and become more in love with silence and being alone in your own energy, getting grounded, allowing the thoughts to stop racing. And the calmer and calmer, more grounded and balanced you get, the more clear you are too about whatever your next step is towards your happiness. You'll be so much more clear. Take the Why I know it's so important to find the time to get back into nature is because maybe you don't even realize it. I moved to the city and I couldn't understand how I was so always full of anxiety, even though I was being very conscious of staying grounded and doing what I needed to do. But there's a frequency, there's an energy, whether you're aware of it or not. Like I reflected on that deeply. All the bling bling, the lights, the billboards, the noise, you can never turn it off. I remember going to find nature when I was in the city, and I'd go as far as I could into the back bush trails, and like untouched even, and not the public trails or anything, like literally seeking solitude. And even in those spots, I could still hear traffic in the distance. There's still a vibration, and I thought, I got to get out of here. I have to get back to complete silence. Experience this. Stay still with me for a second. Do you feel? Hear the chimes? Hear the breeze? This is a grounding tip too. Go into nature and then just sight the things that you see, hear, feel. Get